The muscles that we'll be working on today are all of these forehead muscles. There's the procerus, which is down between your eyebrows, down here. There's the frontalis, which is this big muscle. It's a big sheet. And we're going to be tightening that up. And the corrugator supercilii, which is down here. These are all the muscles that hold up our forehead and our eyes. So let's get started. Let's start our practice today with a little relaxing breathing. So as always, sit up straight, spine straight, shoulders back and down, relaxed, chest open, heart open, face relaxed. Now, let's breathe just a couple of breaths, just regular breaths, and let your body breathe you. You're not changing a thing. Okay, got it? Close your eyes. Now, put your hands on your belly, and we're going to breathe into our belly. You're going to feel your belly expand on the inhale and contract on the exhale. Breathing through your nose. Now, how many counts does it take for your inhale? 5. So I'm going to exhale for 5. Inhale for 5. Exhale for 5. Now do it. If you inhale for 5, be sure you exhale for 5 or even 6. Here we go. Okay, now go back to regular breathing. Now think about your stress level and consider doing this little breath work every single day. The next pose we're going to share is called the forehead freeze. Now remember to sit up straight, shoulders back and down, chest open, heart open, face relaxed. So let's extend your arms and put your fingers together, interlaced, and place them firmly on your forehead. Keep breathing through your nose. Now lift up, lift your forehead as far as you can. And let's squint like you're looking at a light very far away. And I'll count this for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, open your eyes as wide as possible. And if your eyebrows try to come up, pull them up even further. Here we go. I'll count this for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now come out of the pose. And roll your shoulders and relax. Let's do it again. Now, when we interlace our fingers, if we did it this way before, which is the way I almost always do it if I'm not thinking, let's do it the other way. Put your arms out on your forehead. Sit up straight, shoulders back and down, and lift your forehead high. And let's squint Look at a light far away, like you're trying to see it. You're straining, and I'll count for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close your eyes for 3, 2, 1. Now open your eyes as wide as possible. And if your forehead comes up, pull it up further. Here we go. I'm going to count this for 10, 9, 8. You can blink. 7, 6. Don't forget to breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come out of the pose. Close your eyes. Take a few breaths. Relax. Let's do this one more time. Now this time we're going to take our fingers, 4 fingers from each hand, and put them here on our forehead. And this is going to allow us to pull them apart to get rid of those nasty 11 lines that live between our eyebrows. So keep your thumbs on your head to kind of brace your fingers. Let's pull them apart and pull them up. Remember, we're sitting up straight, shoulders back and down. Let's squint like we're looking at a light far away, and I'll count this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I've got to readjust here. Now close your eyes for 3, 2, 1. Now open your eyes as wide as possible. And I'll count this for 10, 9, 8, blink, 7, 6, breathe, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come out of the pose and relax. The next pose we're going to do is called the eye-opening binocular pose. And it's a little bit like the previous exercise we did. We're going to be toning these muscles in our forehead, lifting our eyebrows and tightening everything up so that it will brighten our eyes and keep everything opened up, because everything is connected. So, as usual, sitting up straight, shoulders back and down, heart open, chest open, face relaxed. Let's take your hands like this and put your fingers against your hairline and move them down to your eyebrows. Now we're just going to rest our thumbs right here. They're not really doing anything, but we don't want them to get in the way. So what we're going to do on this pose is open our eyes as wide as we can while we hold our eyebrows down. They're definitely trying to lift up, but I'm holding them down. And then we're going to squint. Close your eyes and squint also, like you're looking at a light far away. And we're going to squint like this for 10 count. Then we're going to open up again without letting our eyebrows go up again for 10. Everybody ready? Let's do this. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Hands. Put your fingers up here. Come down here. Pull them apart too, so we will get rid of those 11 lines. So park your thumbs right here. Now open your eyes as wide as possible, but hold those eyebrows down. They want to come up and they want to put creases in your forehead, but don't let that happen. So let's do this. I'll count for 10. Open your eyes as wide as possible while holding your eyebrows down. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, you can blink. 4, 5, keep breathing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Close your eyes for 3, 2, 1. Now, look far, far away like you're looking at a light and squeeze your eyes and keep them squeezed tight like this. And I'll count this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close your eyes. Breathe a couple of times. Now open your eyes wide again. Do not let your eyebrows come up. Do not let your forehead crease. Let's hold this for 10, 9, 8. Keep breathing. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come out of the pose and relax. I'm making my cheeks a little red with these thumbs. Okay, you ready to do this again? Hands, hairline, down to your eyebrows, park your thumbs, spread those 11 lines apart. Breathe in and out. Now open your eyes as wide as possible, and I'll count for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close your eyes for 3, 2, 1. You can readjust if you need to. I just did that. Okay, now we're going to squint like you're looking at something far, far away. Let's count this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe. Now open your eyes one more time, as wide as possible. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come out of the pose. You know, all of these exercises that we do really do strengthen the muscles, but at the same time, we're bringing fresh blood and we're breathing and we're activating these areas on our face. So it's all good. Let's do this one more time. Here we go. Hands, hairline, down to your eyebrows. Spread those 11 lines and park your thumbs. Here we go. First breathing. Now open your eyes as wide as possible. And I'll count this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close your eyes for 3, 2, 1. Now look at a light far away and squint your eyes hard. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close your eyes for 3, 2, 1. Now open your eyes as wide as possible. And I'll count for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come out of the pose and relax.